Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm jumping straight in. I am using the Juvias Plays Berries palette. I'm going to take the first shade in the palette and I will be applying this in my crease. Next shade is this deep plum shade right here at the bottom. I'm going to take a smaller crease brush, a smaller like blending brush, and pack that into my crease as well. So the concealer I'm using to cut my crease is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. So once I'm done cutting my crease, I'm going to go in and blend out the edge of that because it's looking pretty harsh and we don't want that. And I just set that concealer in place. Like, I like the color that it came out to be, so I just set it with some setting powder, translucent setting powder. And next I'm just going to apply my Essence Matte Black Eyeliner and create a wing. Next, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Liquid Eyeshadow, and I'm going to place this right on top of my eyeliner in the center. For skin, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Facial Oil to moisturize. And then I will be priming with the Laura Mercier, which my lighting is really bright, y'all, so you couldn't really see the packaging, but it's the Laura Mercier Blurring Primer, and this is a really good primer. It does blur out your skin and it mattifies you. Like, if you have oily skin, I recommend this. So I'm using the NYX Born the Glow and the Lancôme foundation, all the shades of everything that I use, and if I missed anything, of course it will be down in my description box. But you guys should know, like, I love mixing these two. I get my perfect shade and the perfect coverage. It's just everything. So I'm going to place this all over my face and blend it out. The sponge that I'm using, y'all, is a Eco Style sponge. I really like it, but I love my Sonia Kashuk, and I'm going to get another Sonia Kashuk sponge very soon. For concealer, I'm applying the Maybelline Superstay concealer in the shade Caramel, and I've been loving this concealer. And it's just really nice to be a drugstore concealer. It has really good coverage and it blends out good, doesn't crease up on me. Yeah, it's really good concealer. So next I'm going to cream contour, and I'm using the Huda Beauty cream contour in the shade, I believe this is in the shade Light, but I mixed it in a little bit with Tan. The exact shades will be down below, so make sure you guys check my description box. So yeah, I'm going to cream contour, and I haven't cream contour in so long, y'all. Like, somebody actually commented on my video and was like, girl, when you going to cream contour? Because I used to all the time, but I don't know what happened, and now I'm back in love with it. So thanks, girl, for that comment, because I almost forgot. So I'm going to add a little bit more concealer. It's the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect in the shade Warm Beige, just to highlight a little bit. So I'm going to set everything with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Honey. Of course, y'all, this, oh my gosh, like, I'm stuck trying to explain how perfect this setting powder is. It makes you look so flawless. Like, that's the only way I could explain. Like, it takes any kind of imperfections away. It just blurs out everything, and yes, it just looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and set the cream contour a little bit with this CoverGirl Full Spectrum Pressed Face Powder. And this is an all over face powder. But I just take a powder that's like a couple shades darker than my skin tone and use that as a contour. So with my contour, I make sure I use a very light hand. I do not like a harsh contour at all. And right here, I'm just cleaning it up just a little bit and contour my nose with the same brush that I applied on my face. To complete my eyes, I'm taking the same two shades that I used in my crease, and I'm going to blend that in underneath my bottom lash line and apply this Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara to my bottom lashes. And my top lashes, I believe these are from Bold Face. So right here, I accidentally forgot to set my makeup. I usually do it right after I contour. So next I'm going to highlight with this Ofra highlighter. Y'all, I do not know the name. I'm doing this voiceover pretty late because your girl is trying to just stay consistent. I'm trying to keep these videos going. I actually have 3 videos that I've been editing all day. So I'm so excited that I have all this content to just put out for y'all. So I'm sorry, all the names of everything will be down below though. So for lips, of course, I'm using my dark brown lip liner that, y'all, I get this from the beauty supply store. And this lipstick is from Lena Lashes. I'm not sure if she still has it on her website. And this whole lip combination, like, I literally just made it up. I kept applying more things until I was satisfied with the color because I didn't want it to be too nude. I wanted to still have some kind of like pink tint to it to go with the eyes. So this portion of the video is sponsored by Arabella's Hair. This hair is a 13x4 lace wig, and I previously uploaded a full dedicated video on how it was just like an unboxing and how I customized the wig. So I already bleached the knots and tweezed it. So right here, I'm just going to apply some foundation onto the lace. I believe I have a 24-inch Brazilian lace wig, but the exact details will be on the top of my description if you guys are interested. This hair is very soft. It's very nice. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I'm not even going to show y'all honestly a wig that I don't personally like. I haven't had any problems with this wig, honestly. It's 180% density. It's nice, it's thick, it's long. I haven't had any fallout, nothing really. I haven't had any issues with this hair. So I just applied a little bit of foundation down the parting. And here you guys will see me cut the lace off. And honestly, y'all, I didn't know I wasn't filming when I was spraying the freeze spray. I actually put it like just a little bit behind my hairline. And then I just did my little baby hairs with my Eco Style gel, which I love so much. And that is the end of this video. This is how the entire look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos for 2021. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.